Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel Guide Hub. Today I'll show you how to install the JD Sports app on your Android device. So let's get started. First, unlock your Android device and open the Google Play Store. Now tap on the search icon usually located at the bottom right corner of the screen. And in the search bar at the top, type JD Sports. Hit search. Now look for the app titled JD Sports developed by JD Sports Fashion PLC and tap on it. Ensure it's the official app to get the best experience. Now tap the install button. The app will begin downloading and installing on your device. Once the installation is complete, tap Open to launch the JD Sports app. And that's it. You have successfully installed the JD Sports app on your Android device. Now you can explore the latest sneakers, sportswear, and exclusive deals right at your fingertips. If this video helped you, please like, subscribe, and leave a comment below with any queries. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.